Take any bowl, I'm taking a pressure cooker here, and then step 1, add beans and legumes 100 grams. Step 2, add grains 100 grams. The beans is a mixture of soybeans, chickpeas, green peas and white peas. And the grains is a mixture of wheat grains, jawari, bajari, finger millets or ragi. And then add some water to soak and leave them overnight. And the next day before cooking, add 100 grams of lentils. This is a mixture of tur dal or tandoor dal and masoor dal, and then wash them thoroughly with tap water and drain the water and put them on the stove. Then add some water. Next, add some turmeric and then some salt, and then a mixture of jeera and mustard seeds and some chilli powder and a mixture of masalas. And then add some more water and some more water. Okay, a bit more. And then take a potato, ting, tuk, ting, and put them in the cooker. Ouch! And then some garlic. No, not enough. Peel them and put them in the cooker. And then some ginger. Ting. And put them in the cooker. And then add 100 grams of oats and put them in the cooker. Then put the lid and the whistle. Next, I'm gonna cut these veggies and put it in that thing. So let's go. Ting, tuk, ting, tuk, shh. Ting, tuk, ting, shh. Meanwhile, first whistle. Second whistle. And next onions. Shh. Ting. Tuk. Ting. And then some crying. And some more. Ting. Tuk. And some curry leaves and some mint and take the idli cooker for steaming the vegetables and add some water. Put them in the idli cooker and put them on the stove and then cool yourself down because you're so hot. After 10 or 15 minutes, turn off the stove. Once the cooker depressurizes, open it. Add the steamed vegetables to it. And then mix it well and distribute it in 3 or 4 containers depending on how many meals you eat per day. This is going to be my lunch, and this my dinner, and this tomorrow's breakfast. Wait till they cool down and put them in the fridge. Before eating, add some ground flaxseed powder, ground mustard powder for the cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, and some vinegar. Mix them well and done.